my name is Paige with Sudsy Soapworks, and today is my 27th birthday! So today we're going to be doing something that we have never done before. I'm going to be making a birthday cake out of soap, completely made out of soap. Like I said, this is something I've never done before, so bear with me. Hopefully it turns out great. We're also going to be doing a giveaway for my birthday for you guys. So you'll have to stay tuned to see what it is. Later on in this video, I'll explain how to enter the giveaway and all the rules involved. So stay tuned if you want to enter this giveaway and see how I make this soap cake. All right, let's get started. All right, everyone, so I got these like rose gold and gold white ink sprinkles put on top. And then I got these 6-inch cake molds. These are all from Amazon. I also got a new stick blender too. So mine was getting old and it started to make air bubbles in my soap. Usually when you make soap, like you burp the stick blender, and I always do that, and it just all of a sudden started making bubbles, and I think it's getting old. It's kind of slowing down a little bit. But I am going to attempt to make a 3-layer cake, so I'll have like 1 layer there. So it's gonna be pretty high. 2 layers and then 3 layers. It's gonna be a big piece of soap. Since I've never used these before to calculate how much soap you need to fill this mold, there's a formulation online and I've never used it before, so I hope it works. But you put the mold on your scale and then you tear it out, and then you pour water in it until it's full, or until how full you want to fill the mold. All right, so I'm thinking about right there. So there is 24.1 ounces of water in the mold. And then you're going to multiply that number that you get, how many ounces it is, times 1.8. So I'm gonna do that right now. So 24.1 times 1.8 equals 43.38. Now, that 43.38 is the cubic inches of the mold. Now you're gonna multiply that number by 0.4. I don't know why, I didn't look it up, but 0.4 is the number. So 43.38 times 0.4 equals 17.35. Now that number is the ounces of oils that you need for your mold. So 17.35 ounces of oil for my mold. I didn't fill it all the way, so I think I'm just gonna round it to 18 because I like even numbers. Don't do that if you did fill your mold all the way. I left like 1 inch from the top. So now I'm gonna go plug this into Soap Calc and put 18 as my total weight of oils, and then it will give me my recipe, so we'll be right back. All right, everyone, I have my recipe. So I did forget to mention, this was 18 ounces of oils for 1 of these, and I'm going to be doing 3. So I just multiply the 18 times 3 to get 54 ounces of oils, because I do want to make them all in the same batch, so they're like all the same color and all. I'm just gonna scrape this. This is so different from my previous one. All right, let's give this one final mix. All right, I'm gonna go get my fragrances and then we will start pouring in the molds. All right, so today I'm gonna be doing a blend of lychee red tea from Brambleberry and raspberry sangria from Midwest Fragrance Co. On my scale, I'm gonna just do a 50-50 blend. It is starting to rise a bit, so I'm going to use my stick blender break it up. Sorry, I'm a little bit out of frame. I wanted to work really fast there. I think that was the lychee red tea that riced because I've used raspberry sangria before and it definitely didn't rice before. So I'm gonna split this. I'm gonna put, it's getting really thick so I have to work really fast. I'm gonna put pink, an accent color of pink for like a pink marble, and then white. Oh, there's the pink. Oh, this one is getting thick. Definitely didn't plan for this. The lychee red tea from Brambleberry is one of my favorite scents. It smells so good. But apparently it rices. Like I said, I haven't used it in soap. I use it in like body lotion. Dump the pink in here and swirl it up. Kind of fold it in a little bit to swirl it. I'm gonna try to take a little bit of this pink that I have left. I don't have much. I'm just gonna kind of dab some pink on here to kind of swirl it in. There, I think that is good. So we are going to spritz this with rubbing alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, to prevent ash. And we will be back in 18 to 24 hours, possibly sooner because I did use sodium lactate in this recipe. So hopefully it is faster.
6.5 hours later.
All right, everyone, we are back. It's actually only been like 4 hours since we have made the soap and it's pretty hard, like almost rock solid. So I'm gonna mold it and then we're gonna pipe it and decorate it. All right, so here they are. I did do a pretty big water discount. I did a 1-to-1 ratio of water and lye. All right, so here is one layer. So we have one layer. Do this one next. Here is the second layer. This is gonna be a really big bar of soap now that I'm looking at it. And here is the next layer. It's really pretty. It smells super good too. All right, so what I'm gonna do is pipe just the outer rings on these 2 layers, let that harden. So when I stack the layers, it supports it up. And then I'm gonna fill it with frosting after the outside ring hardens, and that will help the layer stick, but the inner layer will help it stick, but it won't collapse when I put all these layers on because this is kind of a lot of weight. So I'm gonna go mix up my first batch of frosting. All right, everyone, I have my bake of frosting here. I colored it with Pink Vibrance from Nurture Soap. And now I'm just gonna pipe again, like I said, just around the outer edge. This frosting is firming up really fast because again, I put the fragrance oil in it. Now I'm gonna take my next layer. I have so much frosting left over, so I think I might try to stack these. I think it might work. All right, moment of truth. Oh, it actually is holding it up. It's gonna be a huge, huge bar of soap. Alright, that's what we have so far. Alright everyone, so we are back. This is pretty solid. The frosting it's firm, it's not completely solid yet on the inside. But now we are gonna decorate the top. So I made a 27 out of melt and pour, and I kind of mixed colors to get like a rose gold color. And then I have a few of these piped roses and some of these little mini piped rosettes that I used from a previous soap. And then I took, so when I told you I shaved the soaps flat, I took those shavings and painted the tips of it gold, and I'm actually gonna use these to stick around the top too. And then I have these sprinkles from Amazon. And then I also made these little macarons that I bought an embed for on Amazon that I forgot I had. So I'm gonna kind of mix those up, see what works, see what I want to put on there. I'm just gonna do that. Probably need a little bit more. All right, now it's gonna be backwards for you, but I need to be able to see where I'm putting these, so I'm gonna put the numbers in. There we go. And now I'm gonna kind of pipe around 7 might fall over, just to get a base of where I'm gonna put the flowers so they have something to stick to, because again, the soap is obviously hard now and it won't stick. I'm going down lower to the cake as I'm piping around. All right, so I'm gonna place these big flowers down by the 27 on both.
I probably shouldn't say this. I wanna be with you. If that's the last thing that I could do, I wanna be with you. If that's the last thing that I could do, call me a fan. I'm living, give me your hand. I'm in it, yeah. I wanna be with you. If that's the last thing that I could do. We've been making magic, and sometimes I get nervous, but too good to believe. I don't know how it happened, but baby, I'm ecstatic that you're sticking with me. I'm waiting, trying to be patient. You look like a painting. It's so frustrating. I hate it, yeah. I probably shouldn't say this. I probably should erase it. I probably shouldn't say this. I wanna be with you. If that's the last thing that I could do, I wanna be with you. If that's the last thing that I could do, call me a fan. I'm living. Give me.
All right, everyone, here is my final 27th birthday cake. I hope you guys like it. I know there's a lot going on, but honestly, I love it. I hope you guys like it too. So again, like I put the soap flowers on it, the soap macarons. I actually ended up spraying it with a little bit of biodegradable glitter, some gold all over it because I love glitter. And then I added the sprinkle like pearls. So yeah. All right, everyone, let's get down to this giveaway. So the rules of this giveaway are you must be at least 18 years or older to enter. You have to be a resident of the United States. And you must have an email so we can contact you. So in order to be entered into this giveaway, 1, you must subscribe to our YouTube channel, 2, like this video, and 3, leave a comment down below what your favorite flavor of ice cream is. My favorite flavor is probably ice cream cake. Leave a comment about what your favorite flavor of cake is. My favorite flavor is probably strawberry shortcake. All right, so let's get into the prizes. So since this is our first giveaway on YouTube, we're gonna have not 1 winner, but 3 winners. So 3rd place is going to get a $20 e-gift card to our shop. 2nd place is going to get a $30 e-gift card to our shop. For the grand prize, 1st place is going to win a $50 e-gift card to our shop and a gift set. And this gift set includes some of my favorite items and scents. So you'll get a rose gold whipped soap scrub. That's my all-time favorite scent. And a rose gold shower gel. And then there's a cake batter, lip scrub, and lip balm in here because it's my birthday. And then there's a Field of Roses soap that actually has the same roses on here as the roses I put on my cake. And then we have a rose and musk bath bomb. That's like my absolute favorite bath bomb scent. So yeah, grand prize is gonna get this cute gift box, and the box can be reusable. You can use this as like a storage box or like a photo box. And all these awesome bath goodies. So this giveaway is going to go on for 4 weeks. So on April 23rd is when the giveaway ends at 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Make sure you enter the giveaway, like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends so they can enter too, and feel free to enter as many times as you want. Leave as many comments as you'd like, and each comment will count as an entry. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching, everyone. We hope you liked this video, and thank you so much for all of our current subscribers. You guys have been awesome. You're so supportive, and we couldn't be here without you. Here's the awesome cake again. All right, bye everyone.